What's up, guys? Welcome to another edition of the Market Marauder Show. All right, so thank you for joining. Today, I'll be going over my top penny stocks under $1. So let's jump into it. Hope everybody's having a great week. Just remember this week, the market will be closed on MLK Day, so just bear that in mind if you're new to trading. But let's jump into these stocks. First one on here, we have ticker sign SNDL for Sundial Growers. Now I've talked about this one, on my other channel in the past. So if you want to look at some more information on that, make sure you go check out the other channel. But overall, I think it still has potential to grow, especially with this Biden administration coming up. So they did touch 78 cents last week, so that was a pretty good metric. They ended the week at 71 cents, and then after hours went down 9.5%, or 6 cents for them in general, to go down to 64 cents. Overall, they're still bullish, denoted by a moving average 10 being above 50 and 100, which is this purple and yellow line, and VWAP is still above the moving average 10. So those are my indicators. I also use the 30-minute chart, and this is from the perspective of Webull. So if you like to sign up for Webull and get free stocks when you deposit $100 or more, I have a link down below in the description for that as well. So make sure you go check that out. On the channel, I like to give some background information on the stock, so let's do that. Now, they are a cannabis company. So it says Sundial announced the launch of a premium concentrate product under its Top Leaf brand. So they have a brand called Top Leaf, so they're basically making a new form or a new strain of cannabis for that. So it says that they have announced or have launched a high quality cannabis derivative product under the Top Leaf brand in response to rising consumer demand for its cannabis extract. And then it says this most recent launch consists with Sundial's focus on premium inhalables, following branded retail offerings of flower, pre-rolled, and vape cartridges. So they're expanding their product line, which I think will be something that could be taken advantage of here in the States, in the U.S., once this Biden administration kind of kicks off. So make sure you keep an eye on them. The stock does fluctuate quite a bit throughout the weeks, but definitely going to see that they will have to test this 78-cent resistance once again. So I'm going to be keeping my eye on that level, and also this level down here, which is this moving average 50 line, which is 68 cents. So definitely going to be looking at that level between 78 and 68. Is going to be, the oscillation range that I'm going to be looking at. Next, we got ticker sign BORR for BORR drilling. They are bearish at the time of this video, noted by moving average 10 line being below 50 and 100. And then also VWAP is below the moving average 10, so bearish overall. They ended the week at 91 cents. After hours, they went down to end at 89 cents. So that's where they ended the week. The market is closed today at the time of this video, so just bear that in mind. The price will change depending on when you watch the video. And also, going to background information on them, just going to talk about some of their offshore drilling stuff that they have. So they are a drilling company. It says BORR Limited is an international drilling contract incorporated in Bermuda in 2016 and listed on the OSL Stock Exchange from August 30th, 2017, and New York Stock Exchange from July 31st, 2019. So they are on the New York Stock Exchange. And these are some of the different rigs that they have. They all have different names, and it shows the year that they were built and how deep that they are. So this is the water depth. But if you see, they have quite a bit of rigs under their names. So I think that's pretty good for them. Going to be looking for some more press releases coming from them on how they can expand or how they can maximize the resources that they currently have. I know drilling is going to be one of those things that was kind of like a topic that was talked about during the presidential debates, but I know it's going to be one of those industries to definitely keep your eyes out on. especially if the U.S. joins back into the Paris Climate Accord. So definitely keep your eyes on companies like this because politics definitely do affect stocks and their prices. Next, we have ticker sign PTN for Palantir. So not Palantir, but Palantir. They have touched 84 cents. That was kind of their high. That was on the 13th. It looks like they're trying to make their way back to that level. They bounced off of this moving average 50 line. So moving average 10 bounced off the moving average 50 and started to rally back up. So that's always a good sign, in my opinion. And it hit it twice, so it went down and then it came up and bounced back off. Moving average 10 is above 50 and 100 if we see by this chart, so they are bullish by that metric. And moving average 10 is above the and VWAP is above the moving average 10. So bullish in both of those regards. Going to keep an eye on this one for Tuesday to see how it moves. But overall, they ended the week at 78 cents and then only went down 1 cent to end the week at 77 cents. So background on them. This article came out the 15th, and it was the newest article on the website. Bear in mind, it's all public information, so it's not like I have a special password to get any of this. I'm not affiliated with any of these companies, and this is all for educational purposes, so just bear that in mind as well. So this article came out the 15th. Definitely going to be looking for some more updates on what's going on, especially considering we are in 2021. So this says that PTON Technologies announces positive results from its phase 2 study of PL9643 in patients with dry eye disease. So it says they're in phase 2 of 3 of their clinical trial, currently planned for mid-2021. So definitely going to be looking for some more updates from this. If you're not familiar with how the FDA process really works, it usually goes phase 1, 2, 3, and then NDA. So usually all of those different terms or different stages in a drug's process are all catalysts for momentum for the stock to move. So with it being in phase 2, if it gets into phase 3, there'll definitely be a catalyst for this to continue to move forward based on the data that they release from this phase 2 trial. So definitely keep my eyes on them and definitely looking for a new update coming from them sometime soon, hopefully. Next, we have ticker sign SOMN for Somin Technologies. Last week, they touched 92 cents, so almost hitting $1. They kind of went down a little bit after that, but they are bullish. Moving average 10 is above 50 and 100, and VWAP is above moving average 10, so positive metric on that. They closed the week at 88 cents and then went up 1 cent after hours, so a little positive momentum coming from them after hours, so that's always a good sign. Background on them, this article came out the 22nd, so this is the newest one that I saw on them. They announced software development relationship with Coforge. It says today announced software development and asset purchase agreement with Coforge, a global IT solutions company based in India that serves large enterprise technology and communication developed worldwide. As part of the agreement, Sonim has agreed to transfer its India-based software development resources to Coforge, which will have responsibility to provide software development services to the company in the future. Additionally, Coforge has become a Sonim partner focused on introducing Sonim devices as solutions to enterprise customers worldwide. So it seems like a pretty good development partnership that they have going on here. Going to be looking for some more information as far as growth is concerned, especially considering that this article came out the 22nd of 2020. So definitely going to be looking for some more updates to see how this partnership is working for them and how they've been able to grow their business based on that. So lastly, we have ticker sign XELA for XELA Technologies. If we look, they have touched $1.15. So this was around the 13th. They've kind of fallen down and gone sideways since then. They kind of hit this level right here, which is around 75 cents to, I guess, around $1. So like $1.05 to 75 cents is going to be that range that they're operating in. Definitely going to be looking for them to break through that range and then test this $1.15 level again. They are bullish though. Moving average 10 is above 50 and 100, but VWAP is below moving average 10. So it may be more the same, more sideways momentum coming from them in the future. Background information on them. This article came out the 30th. It just basically says that they engaged XELA Technologies engages UBS investment bank to explore strategic alternatives. So they're basically talking to this investment bank to help grow their business, which isn't a bad thing overall. Definitely interested to see how that partnership works or how that consultation works with the company overall. So those are my top penny stocks under $1. Make sure that you hit that thumbs up. Definitely helps the YouTube algorithm promote the videos. Definitely helps out as well. Hope you all like the video and hope everybody has a great week of trading. And I'll see you guys next time. Peace.